Generally, there is this, thought that star kids have it easy. What are your thoughts around nepotism?
Well, my thoughts around nepotism it doesn't come from a very negative place, because I feel like it exists in every field, where in which if you know somebody in a certain field that you want to be a part of, you will help them. But having said that, because I'm so in love with acting and being an actor, that I would be devastated if I hadn't gotten the opportunity. So I am in no place to sit and go like, oh, they don't know what they're talking about. How can you say that? Of course, it feels terrible if you feel like somebody else is getting an opportunity because of their family line. So there is no way to counter that thought. It does exist. But having said that, once you come into the foray, so to speak, the audience chooses you. So if you are working, it's not because you're just getting lucky every time. So there does go some hard work in that, quite a lot of hard work. So while keeping in mind the sentiment, it's also important not to discard a lot of hard work. But yeah, as I said, there's no negative thoughts. It's just like, I can't wake up and say sorry that I've been born into this family, but I can definitely say that I will work as hard as possible to prove that I deserve to be here.
Sure. Finally, you get to work with your dad in Sadak 2. How excited are you about that?
I'm petrified. I'm petrified to work with my father, because he keeps looking at me and saying, Alia, there's a wall. There's a wall in front of you. I can't get through to you. And that could be possibly true, because I'm a little guarded, and he's my father, and he kind of knows how I feel, but I don't really want to let my guard down so easily. So he believes that once he starts the wall's going to drop, which is true. So I'm scared to break that wall, because it'll be quite a revelation for me and for our relationship as father-daughter.
You're a wonderful, versatile actress, but that apart, you're also a fabulous singer. First of all, where did that come from? Did you go through
from the bathroom? It's true. I started singing in the bathroom. I continued singing in the bathroom.
You never did any formal training? You didn't learn formally?
Not at all. I never learned. In the school, little bit gaga we used to do and all as kids. But professional training I've never taken. Yeah, it's come from the bathroom.
Just a couple of lines.
Which song? It's a very difficult song. It's some other song. समझावा हाँ उड़ता एक कुड़ी ना that's easy ना reverb मिलेगा chill हाँ एक कुड़ी जीदा ना मोहब्बत गुम है हो साद मुरादी सोनी फबत गुम है The reverb really does it.
Just one last question by a person who, from our women followers who wanted to ask a question. It was a wonderful question. May I just call upon the person to come up on stage and ask the question, please? It's a very relevant question, especially in today's times of social media.
I like it. Ask your question.
Okay, what I wanted to ask is, as we all know, you have immense talent, and I just wanted to know, in any industry, is only the core talent and core skills are enough to break through, or you need to have the selling skills and the entrepreneurial skills as well?
Well, I don't know about the word selling skills, but
Yes.
Well, I always believe in this, that you, whatever it is, whether it is visibility, respect, appreciation, recognition, whatever it is, you should not demand it, you should command it. And the only way you will command it is through your talent and through what you bring to the table. So I always believe less is more. Never try too hard. Do what you feel is right from the heart. Overusing the head, it never translates as true. And you can always see through it. So I prefer to be more heart than head.
Thank you so much.
That's right.
Thank you, Alia. You've been an absolute delight, and it's been a great evening. Thank you for being such a sport.
Thank you so
Really
much.
appreciate it.
Thank you for the award and thank you everyone.
Apart from reaching great heights, we do hope that as you become an even bigger celebrity, keep it fervor. Just keep it lively, just as you have done today and forever.
Subscribe to Biscuit TV and press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss another Bollywood update from Biscuit TV.